We're going for the bench seat now.
Right.
Welcome to part 4 of The Cockroach, the episode where we make the cabin.
Working on the bed. Comfy bed, Charlie?
Reminds me of being 15, staying at your house at a party and just finding some like shelf, you know.
If you had your feet at the back end, that'll be alright. Feet go over there. Could you imagine sleeping there the night?
Well, unfortunately, yes.
Yeah. Whoa!
Going to do cycle to John O'Groats on it, Harry?
Yeah.
Did you strap yourself onto it so then you don't come out?
Charlie, Charlie, sleep well.
Really poet, Christopher.
I really like that song.
Yeah, I do.
But what about if I go this end? Look.
I could totally sleep like this, couldn't you?
Yeah.
It even sounds like an old pram. No, like the creaking of it.
Actually looks like a slight horror film.
Well, tell you what, why don't you sleep there and I'll see if I can drive.
Hi!
This is how we can sleep and get some miles on the go. The luge.
Is that what it's called?
Don't know, mate.
When they go skimming down like this.
Oh, yeah. Isn't there a film about that?
Okay.
As well?
That's great.
This is brilliant. The bed platforms are going in. The uprights are in. But yeah, we've got these outriggers coming up, which are going to give us our bed to sleep on, and then we're putting in these uprights, which are going to form the roof. That. Yeah, we spent the last 2 days welding up the cabin, and it's starting to look like a proper wagon.
Yeah.
We're at that stage of the project where it's actually starting to be quite enjoyable. Or is that about to happen? Is that the fun bit's about to start?
Yeah. That's life, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like a proper vehicle now. You can sleep in it. We've extended out the side, so we've both got our bunks. They're going to be quite narrow, but we should be able to get to some good sleep after a hard day's travelling. Please follow me around. So you can see our extensions. So these extensions are going to be our bunks. They'll probably come to about here. You're going to be sleeping along here. Charlie had a very good idea, which was Charlie had the only good idea he's had, which is using these wheel rims to just finish off the front here. So we've got this.
That does work
This
really
is
well.
this is probably going to be covered with maybe canvas or cardboard. So you're going to step in through the back door. The solar panels are going to be covering over here. Canvas. This is good. We're going to be in here, living it up. It's going to be great. It's actually quite spacious as well now.
So you can entertain in there?
You can entertain in here. We've got a mattress. This mattress will be cut in two. It's super comfy. Quite a narrow bunk, but it's going to be really comfortable. You're going to be enclosed in this really cosy cabin, and then also, if we get any trouble in the night, we can just switch the engine on and off we go. Film me. we're back to the old favourites. What material are you using there, Charlie?
This is high density paper pulp carbonate.
Has it got another name? People will know that by another name.
Well, I mean, laymen like to refer to it as cardboard.
Brings back the old memories.
Suddenly looking like home though, isn't it? This is
Yeah.
back to what we know.
No, I think cardboard's a good idea just for the prototype.
Yeah, yeah.
Should we get on board?
Let's do it.
Hop in.
Okay.
What a treat. The massive lorry coming past. Oh look, this front wheel is a nightmare, look. Oh my god. We got a freaking van. Look down, you see your front wheel coming off.
That's the end of part 4. Thanks for watching.